welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. I'm not going to be super long with this intro just because this video might be long because I'm doing a full face, but I guess this is like a look you could wear for New Year's Eve or just an occasion where you want to wear glitter. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so since I'm using glitter, I'm going to do my eyes first. Normally I do my foundation and whatnot first, but since I'm using glitter today, I'm going to do my eyes first so I don't have to dust off all the glitter off my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this obsidian color in my Prism palette. Yes, I know, I just used this up. And don't mind my, oh my gosh, I just washed my face, so I'm looking super dry first, and I have just like a flat brush. What I'm doing is I'm cutting my crease first. And I really want it in like a round shape, so I'm gonna kind of bring it down right here, and it looks really weird right now, I know, but I'm hoping it will come together. And you know what, it's bugging me that I didn't do my brows first because I like to have my brows done first just to see where I'm going, so I'm gonna do those and then I'll be right back. Okay, brows are done and my face is really red just because when I don't get enough sleep, it shows on my face, so that is why, and my eyes are really red too. Okay, so I am going to go in with my Morphe palette, and I'm just going to put like one of these, let's see, probably this brown here, and I'm just going to start blending that into, just like right over top to the little cut I did right there. Okay, I feel like that's not giving me the pigment that I want, so I am going to go back in with my Prism palette and use this parallel color here. I was going to try not to use this palette just because I did a look with it in my last video, and I wanted to use more of my other stuff, but for this look that I am envisioning, this palette is like what I need to make that look work, so I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. And same thing, just focusing in that crease right there and just slightly above it. Now that I'm looking like a raccoon face, I'm gonna go in with this NYX glitter primer and just a flat brush, put a little bit on there and try to put that on the area below that crease that I cut. It's like coloring within the lines when you're a kid. It's the same thing right here that we're doing. And the color that we're going in with is this color right here, which is called Crystal. And this is like a 3-in-1 thing, so you have to twist off this top one. Using the same brush here, we are going to pack that on. Okay, I did my other eye with the camera off just because that is nerve-wracking and it really takes a lot of time, and I can just see and feel glitter everywhere. I have this Sleek palette right here. It is the Vintage Romance, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, this like white color, and just put that on my brow bone. And I did end up going up pretty high with my blending. I got out of control. So yeah, that's what's up with that. I'm hoping, I mean, I feel like it still looks a little bit weird, but I'm hoping by the time like we put lashes and stuff on, it'll kind of look a little bit better. So lately I've been using this bio oil to moisturize, and it's been really nice. It has vitamin E in it, if you've never heard of bio oil, and it's just really good on my skin. Then for primer, I'm using my Hangover, oh my gosh, come on light, Hangover RX by Too Faced, and it's just like a tiny one I got. So yeah, like I literally got it last week. It feels like it's running out, but I love it. I need to go get a regular size one. And then I'm just using my one of my stippling brushes to spread that out on my face. I did a video on this airbrush foundation, the Sally Hansen, but lately it has been my favorite again. So I'm just going to use this foundation blurring brush by e.l.f. Spray it on there. And we'll just go in with this. I actually found this at TJ Maxx because they sell them at Walmart for like 10 bucks. But I found that one at TJ Maxx for $2.99. And I should have bought more now that I like think about it. It's $3 and it's one of my favorite foundations. And I would suggest this if you like to wear like minimal makeup. But it's still, to me, like once I'm done, I still feel like I look pretty covered. So I don't know. It's just like a more light, airy feeling on the skin. So I've been using the combination of this Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser. And it's really light. That's why like I mixed it with my ColourPop. And look at my ColourPop. I was going to tell y'all, I know I did a video on this, but look at how like this started happening like literally after I made that video. Like it's so empty so quick. So I don't know. I guess that's why they charge $6 for it, because when you buy it, it's like freaking halfway full. I just put this like right over it. And then I do drag it down a little bit because, like I said, I do have that redness right there on my cheeks that I want to cover. And since I use that airbrush or whatever foundation, spray foundation, you have a little bit more room to put more concealer, highlighter, whatever you want to call it, because you're not like super caked up from that. And I know I just put it on so messily, but that's literally how I do it. Like, you're going to blend it out anyways, so who cares. My damp beauty blender, and just use the lightest touch. What the hell? There's a hair on it. And I got foundation on my mirror, great. And my skin, my fingers are hella oily. Okay, and then I'm taking my Coty Airspun and just baking my e.l.f. It's like a blush bronzer combo, and start bronzing this up. Just mostly around the areas that I'm baking. And I feel like if it gets some of the edges, it's fine. Like, it's not the end of the world. And now I am going to dust away that bake. Just using a clean, fluffy brush here. Add my blush. Smile. Ew, that looks creepy, doesn't it? That is done. I still see glitter all over me. Okay, and then at this point, I go ahead and set everything. I'm going to use this Hangover RX 3-in-1 skin mist, whatever. You can use it, I think, before, after. I usually use it after, so I'm going to just spray all over. And you want to fan it until it's all the way dry. Okay, this is the Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter. I always feel like I look so weird up until I put on my lashes. And then the lashes that I'm using today are these Double Wispies by Ardell. I'm sick of my hair. Double Wispies by Ardell. So I'm going to put those on and I will be back. Hi. So I'm actually just going to go back in with this black color, Obsidian, and line my lower lash line with that. And then this same white color from that Sleek palette that I put on my brow bone, I'm going to put in the inner corners right here. To top it all off, we got to do the lips, right? Got to do the lips. Like, don't even mind my hair in this video. It's all about the eyes, eye makeup. I'm going in with this NYX Lingerie Confident is the name of the, what is this? NYX Lingerie, I don't know, it's like a suede matte lip. I don't know. I hardly wear lipstick because I suck at putting it on. I love eye makeup all day, but when it comes to lipsticks, horrible. It's kind of a dark lip, but screw it. Thanks for watching today. Don't mind my hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed. It might be a little bit long. I'm gonna try to edit as much as I can, but like cut it down. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.